It was 4:30 a.m. on 29th August when residents of Ziaullah block and Tipu Nagar near the Ramanagara railway station were rudely awakened with water gushing into their houses. The heavy rains that lashed Ramanagara district in the intervening night of 28th and 29th August had resulted in the nearby Bakshi Lake breaching with water flooding the low-lying areas in the town. The heavy rains resulted in 2 deaths, 4,000 houses damaged, sheep and cattle killed with heavy loss caused to agricultural activity and silk weaving. The last time Ramanagara town had witnessed such heavy rain was in 2004. Narrating the harrowing experience, Tabassum K, who heads the Lalit Loyalty Membership Department at Hotel Lalit Ashok in Bengaluru, told Salar News that water started entering her house on the ground floor in Ziaullah block at 4:30 a.m. I woke up to water having reached my bed. It was then my family realized the enormity of the issue and we quickly bundled the children and ran to the terrace, she added. Tabassum commended the rescue team and the nearby mosque Masjid-e-Ansar relief works. They have provided us with ration, blankets and medicines. This morning too they provided us with breakfast. However, there has been no word from the district administration on the compensation, she added.